Njani yakho siyakhona igrant? Why usotshe njani yakho? Yeah? Why you want to stop? Uthatha into zemalini la. Mali lento ithathile. Batshela ukuthi uyaxolisa. Batshela ukuthi uyaxolisa mphakathi. Imoto sengayi. Oh, okay. Uyaxolisa mphakathi asambe. Yenza so.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kubanjwe intombatane lapha iphume comments iceda kuntshontsha timpahla comments tebantwana and kwalile imphakathi ofuna nje kumdiscipline bekunabhodi la bekabonakala bambe alethusa-ke ngisilane o-aride nje kumbhamula ngayo. So leti mpahla betigqwele guys lapha kuPapa Bheka tigqwele and something leqakako leti mpahla letifanako same size tiyatifanela. So bathi antombatana apparently leti mpahla utithatha ayotithengisa. Uyabona uma ngabe kuthiwa hlampe shemi unemntwana lomncane kakhulu hlampe kumondla, uyabona into leti njalo timoto etifana naleto bese uyatshontsha leti mpahla untshontsha mntwana. Umuntu onjalo guys uyaveleka buhlungu shemi. So sad uma kukuthi uthatha because vele uswele and ufuna ukuthi ayowenda njani ayogcokisa mntwana wakhe. I'm not saying kutshontsha something good or it's a good behavior, but I'm just saying ukuthi kuba ngqono emntwini ukuthi vele lo muntu bekayidzinga le nto uhamba yowenda njani ayogcokisa mntwana wakhe kunokuthi ayintshontshe le nto bese uyoyithengisa lapho something else sesikhuluma nge-different story. So bantu bamgqwalele taking videos, taking pictures, bantu bamemetela bakhuluma kwabona mawuntshontshe la sebagqwalele wonke umuntu laphana. Bonke abantu sebafuna kubona ukuthi yeyi ngibani lo ntshontsile. Wonke umuntu sewukhuta amhlolo mafoni ebusweni bakho nawo uzathi kokuthi ubheke phansi ukhale wendeni because this thing nje say you know ukuthi vele nje uyothi usuka lapho nje ibe seyitrenda nje wonke umuntu sokhuluma ngawe qabanga esikomndeni isidima. What about isidima sakho? So ngevidiyo le-circulate-ako laphana kuma-social media platforms, people are just talking about this girl. Labanye abathi akashajwe, labanye bathi akaqolelwe. Said ukuthi isibantu asifani and ama-reasoning capacities ethu they are not the same. So labanye bayamvela ukuthi awushem Nkosi yami mhlambe uyayidzinga nale mali azatholakala isathengisa, but some are saying ukuthi cha uyathelela nje ngesivume behavior lenje abantu babhizi bangena entolo abatshontsha. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.